Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the device lagging or working slow issue in your device Redmi K50 and gaming edition. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you are having any issue regarding the device lagging, like your device is working slow or it's hanging again and again, so how you can solve this issue, I will tell you. Just watch the video and follow the steps and you will learn how you can solve the device lagging issue in your device Redmi K50 and gaming edition. Let's watch the video.